Hi guys, and don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! Exotic gunshots. I wanted them. Guys, in today's video, I'm so excited because I'll be doing my first reaction video. Now, I'm gonna react to the first video I've ever done here on YouTube. I'm pretty excited because I've always been a fan of creating memories, watching them again, and getting the same feeling that you had the time you recorded. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So let's jump into the video. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, subscribe. Stop, seriously, subscribe right now.
People, why it's on hot man?
I always be telling you guys to subscribe now.
My name is Melica Allen and welcome to my vlog channel. So I want to tell you a little bit about me and why you should subscribe. Well, my name is Melica Allen, as we say. I love to vlog, and I got inspired by I was a chance we did him from way back. And I just humbly say I look more with the wanted. Don't play with me. Anyways, yeah, I always a vlog, but I never put them up. I always do things, but I never put them up. I don't know why.
My face was mad chubby. I never start fixing it. Somebody
said, especially, I start my YouTube channel for vlogging my day-to-day stuff. And you guys can keep up to date with me. Subscribe now. Somebody I walk on the road now. This is my typical morning. I walk on the road, wait for my taxi, go to work. Which go to work, come back home, from my computer, start to cycle. But it's not boring, so I don't go get enough hypeness. Because of them hype, my family them like them hype to you, whatever they get some joke car, something more I think when I see what just tear me right up and thing. So but upon the road what now? The time hot. Yeah, sweat.
So guys, it can't help but me smiling like my cheeks are hurting me because this video was 2 years ago, and when I look at my progress from then till now, I just feel so humbled, you know.
This is me walking on the road, waiting on my taxi. I'm from Bobby.
I'm not gonna lie though, if you check out my skin quality, my skin was so clear.
I don't know.
So clear back then.
Yes. I know other vlogger from Mobile. I think I know one vlogger from Mobile, one girl and one boy, Ziggy, and I don't remember her name. Auntie. But yes, we are going to vlog. I'm going to keep up to date with me. The thing I got eye. The thing I got shot. I just can't take. I hate walking.
And I think my channel over 2 years, when I get another a lot of jokes, I get to show my personality. You know, people that will video the personality of them, they're really funny to like. So I predict that we go happen and it actually happened. So yeah.
Guys, the video went downhill from here, but I still put the clips together. I hope you enjoyed. I'm still gonna share it with you guys.
Good. Good. Good.
I'll be recording. You afraid me for? But I'll tell you like I was mad chubby. Like if you don't watch look at my face now, I look at my face then and the system really do some a good amount of weight for you. 2 years ago I couldn't drive, I can drive now. Couldn't see you, Melica. What made some first YouTube video?
Where you getting so far?
How me I go on? Come and hear the chat. Which is still short.
Face cleaned up.
I tell you, it's 3GG. Look for the teeth there.
I'm in the rain. Actually leaving work now.
Nice, I'll give it up.
Movie, this is my first vlog. I don't do it anymore.
So what the number?
Wow.
Because people say, you just on time to what time is it?
That's vlogging.
No, sir. Me see one boy from X Factor.
Really?
Say, when I ask him, where are you from? Jamaica.
Yeah.
And sitting. And you having a ball when he went to do the song.
Dalton Harris.
Sit like that.
A Jamaican.
Mm-hmm. But I say go up in a poor room, one room. You see it? A lot of people go up that way and they make it nice.
Yes.
Because he believes in that reach.
No.
That's so.
That's why I'm crying. And unscrupulous people of Jamaica say, how much you should the same way in a one room and you never have no light. If the man never have a wife to do.
Why if you do like nice of a thing?
Like you may have your man's story there unscrupulous.
They looking too bad, man. What's that? Maybe something or something. There's some food there.
Mommy, please. I'm recording.
Recording the main line. Eh?
Wait. I'm recording, please.
What
Please,
is
you
it?
mash up my video.
You're too old, Dad. I'm mash your part.
They are put in there. One thing I noticed with the video, I've always had my personality. The type of personality I have, it has always been constant, and I'm very proud of that. Because it's true, it's honest, it's uplifting, you know, it's happy. That's my personality. I'm not gonna change that for nothing or nobody. Yeah. Long time, yeah, big up punky, you know. That's around 2 years ago, I tried to lose weight, you know, but I got dance exercise in class, no, never go on film, but where are they now? Guys, I wanted to lose 30 pounds, but I lost like 40 pounds. Like, I'm so proud. 2 years ago, I was 30 pounds, 32, 40 pounds, 30 pounds overweight because of 30 pounds I didn't want to lose. But I actually lost 40. So, you see, it's good to document these things so you can draw back and say, you know, so I want to do this and see it, you know, I do it. So guys, that's the end of the video. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love. I'm very excited that I got the chance to do my first reaction video of my own video of things that I spoke into existence and they actually came through. Over from that 2 years to present, a lot has changed. And it's just a humbling feeling that I'm still here and I'm still going. I'm still trying to do my best. I'm still striving to become the best version of myself. So I'm happy and I'm humble and I understand that everything happens for a reason. And you know, you just have to try to grow more. Try to improve yourself. I've done a lot of things over this past 2 years to try to improve myself. And I am so proud that I see the benefits, you know. So yeah guys, this is just a big encouragement that once you get started, you will get results, you know. So big up on the damn self, subscribe, show the love and share with a friend. Later.